this video, I really wanted to get the Skyline cleaned out. Sounds like a really small task, but this car has sat for the last 3 years in 3 different states: Oregon, Idaho, and Washington. And in those 3 different states, I'll bet you it's had 3 different types of mice living in it. This thing smelled like death. So a couple of days ago, me and the homies came here and we tried to film and start cleaning things. Didn't go as well as I hoped, but here's the footage from that.
Do a kickflip.
Just pop the head gasket.
Perfect. What's that?
I have this anti-theft wing.
Clean your car out.
What is that? Oh!
Oh. So what else you got in this lovely little box?
Door trim.
Oh. That's pretty cool, dude.
Oh,
No.
down.
No.
Yeah, it's got metallic.
It's ready for final bout.
Now, I love all the homies, but sometimes it's really hard to film with those dudes around. So the next day, I decided to come here by myself, and I just vacuumed out the front side of the car, used some disinfectant, wiped it all down, tried to get things as clean as I could, because it was pretty bad. This carpet's been drying for like 3 days now. Unfortunately, I don't think it's gonna dry for me today. So, slim chance it'll be in the car by the end of the video. My apologies. I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning out the trunk. And I'm gonna talk to you guys about my plans for the inside of this car. Because since I started filming this video a handful of days ago, I think they've changed. If you guys want a t-shirt like this one, head over to littlebigboys.com, grab yourself a t-shirt. They're handmade by me and made with love. The interior of the Skyline is looking pretty sleek. It's not perfect, far from it, but it's a lot better than it was. No more mouse nests. Hopefully the smell will be mostly gone in a day or 2. There are a few more things that should probably be disinfected. It's getting better though, it's a lot better. Since the carpet's not dry, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put the back seats in the car. I got these back seats in Washington, close to Seattle, about a month ago, maybe a little more. Man, it took a long time for me to find a set of rear seats for an R32. Yes! Half a rear seat. Oh my gosh, that's really difficult. I was a little bit worried when I bought these seats because they're for coupe, but they're gonna look so good. Oh man, I don't want to put a cage in this car, but I should put a cage in this car. I'm having such a hard time. Oh no, the pickle seats. Oh, hell yeah. I miss this car so much! The day that I burnt the seats out the back of this car might have been one of the saddest days I ever owned this thing. I am so stoked. Look at that. The Skyline has rear seats. such a small piece of this huge puzzle, but like, man, how exciting. Hasn't had rear seats in a long, long time. The Skyline is and always has been a drift car for me. It was my daily for 2 years while I owned it. I also drifted it every event I could. I want it to still be that, but also I plan to build it a little bit better, a little bit faster, a little bit more capable, a little bit gnarlier. So with that, I feel like it might be smart for me to take some safety precautions. Maybe put like a roll cage in this car, maybe at least like a roll bar. I think I'm more worried about a friend or or like someone else's friend getting hurt, like being a passenger, and if like something happened, like that would be the worst. If I was driving and someone was hanging out with me and they got hurt for hanging out, like that's no fun. So if you guys think I should build a roll cage in the R32, put it down below. If you guys think I don't, also let me know. Give me a reason. If you guys would be really interested in a certain type of video, if we did do a roll bar, like throw that in there. I'm curious to read what you guys think on that one. So the next order of business for this car is to get the front clip finished, to get it sealed up the rest of the way, to get some paint on it. As you guys can see, there's still some exposed plug welds that have never gotten paint on them. I'm gonna have to hit those with a wire wheel, get them all nice and sealed, get some paint on them. So I'm gonna start doing that in the next video. It is terrible working on a car that smells repulsive or that like is gross to touch. It's no fun at all, and I have zero desire to do it. So this was the first order of business for me, and I figured I'd film it and try to make some sort of video out of it for you guys. Hope you guys liked it. I'm excited to move on from this video and to start actually making some progress on this car again. Thank you guys so much. Those of you who've ordered a t-shirt, I hope you guys have gotten them already. I hope you guys are loving them. And yeah, if you guys need a shirt, you guys know where to get one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.
Fuck you looking at? Eat your vegetables.